Hello friends, in this video I am going to unbox and review Crocs flip-flops, which is very popular nowadays. And this comes in a nice packaging with Crocs branding, as you can see here. And there is a pretty nice green hanger also provided with that, along with the product details badges. So you can, first impression, you can see that there are two cushions are given because the foam is maintained during the transport too. That is pretty good thing, which I can say. And from the top view it will look like this, as you can see. From the side you can see there is a nice black line is going, and in the back side Crocs branding is given, which looks quite premium. In the top also you can see Crocs brand symbols are given, which is pretty cool. I will tag this product in the video description so that if you want to check it out for the price and everything, that's cool. So here there are a lot of projections given here, which feels really good. Maybe it will increase the blood circulation also. You have to check the product details for more. And when you go to the back side, you can see the product size is there, M11 is used, and you can select accordingly with the link I have given in the video description. And you can see the grip is given quite projected, and it is have a good amount of cushion effect is there. So it is pretty comfortable, and also it feels really light on your hands. So it can be a good asset with good comfort, lightweight, and your day-to-day users also this can be a better option. And this is about the product details are given here, like how to use and all that. Anyway, you can check from the link I have given. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Also give a thumbs up to this. Thanks a lot for watching this. Have a great day. Bye bye.